That's a really nice look, I think. It's a little bright here. Let's see if we can, there you go. You've got the bathroom window on up here. The door goes in today, roof goes up onto it today, and then this is her loft, bedroom loft window. And let's go inside and check it out. We have this is kind of good. There is a good step right there to get up, only during the construction. But anyways, so coming in the door on the left hand side is gonna be her kitchen with the kitchen sink, kitchen window, and behind that is going to be the tiny bathroom. We have the toilet there, the sink's gonna be right here, and then on the other side we're gonna have a full-size shower. Right, coming back out, behind me is gonna be a kitchen, or kitchen cabinets here, and microwave up there. See, that's the exhaust for the microwave. On the other side, we're going to have a refrigerator and a washer dryer combo. That's what's in the plans. Looking over here, that's her bedroom loft. And when I saw the plans for the first time, I thought, oh, what a waste of space underneath there. But we then thought about it, and we created a garage. It's gonna be on the outside, access to, well, we have stored wood in there right now, but she can put all of her whatever she needs to move, or whatever she needs to store, garden materials, anything like that. So that'll hopefully help her out, and it's a good use of the space. Now we're gonna have a two-step up into her bedroom loft, and yikes! The bedroom loft, this is temporary. The bedroom loft is going to have a beautiful view at a river. She sent me pictures of the place. Yeah, and it's enough for a queen-size bed or pull-out couch, whatever. And then we decided during the build that we're going to try to add a little wood-burning stove to it. We will see how that works out, but the intention is there. So altogether she'll have a mini split where she can heat with. We're just a little bit concerned not to have a second form of heating, especially where she lives in New York. The winters are relatively rough, so I think that's going to be better this way. Anyways, it's our little tiny home, our client.